for a 40-year-old timber-framed house, we're told that many vents are required, but how do you maintain heat with so many vents? I'm not quite sure where you're getting your information from here. If you're building a new house, you would tend to have very few vents installed in the house. You might have a few trickle vents on your windows, and you might install a demand control ventilation system. Now, this ventilation system it actively controls the air movement in your house, but it doesn't heat it. If you go the next stage again, you would have no air vents, so you would have a higher level of air tightness, a lower level of air leakage, and you would install a full heat recovery ventilation system, which would actually maintain the temperature in your house, which would be a direct answer to your question. But there are no vents required in this instance. So that gives you some sense of how it works, but to control the heat with a full heat recovery ventilation system, you require no vents. But given that yours is an old house, there could be a little bit more to it and all that. Maybe you need the vents to actually allow your house breathe a little bit more. The timber frame, because of course timber frame needs to breathe. So maybe it's more vents for the timber frame rather than for pure air quality purposes.